how to restrict app downloads on mobile data, and make sure apps only download when you're connected to Wi Fi. This quick Android tutorial will show you how. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. Now, tap Network Preferences. Depending on your device or Play Store version, you may see App Download Preference directly. Tap App Download Preference, then choose Over Wi-Fi Only. Once selected, app downloads and updates will be restricted when you're using mobile data, helping you save data and avoid unexpected usage. You can also check the Auto Update Apps option and set it to Over Wi-Fi Only for additional data savings. That's it. From now on, the Play Store will wait until you're connected to a Wi-Fi network before downloading or updating apps. If this guide helped you restrict app downloads on mobile data, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android tutorials, mobile tips, and step-by-step tech guides.